Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Clean and Cozy Home. Last week's video we targeted my kitchen and we did a deep clean of the kitchen. But this week we're gonna target the refrigerator. I didn't have time to do it last week, so we're gonna do it this week. I also have an Aldi order, so we're gonna restock the fridge to prep the food, wash everything, put it in the fridge. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys a few items that I've purchased from Amazon to help with this whole process. I bought our clear bins. I actually wanted them to be a little bigger, but we're gonna see how it works. If I can get this open. I actually like them, they're pretty cute. They are stackable. Has a lid. So my plan for this was to set my freezer Ziploc bags in the container, right? So every meal I make, and the box fell. So every meal I make, I can put it in here and keep it organized in the freezer. Now, when I opened this last night, it looks kind of small, okay? So I'm not sure if it would work out. I'm thinking, I wanted to start like this and then had the bags. I don't know, it looks small, but I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna see. If I can't put it this way, I'm thinking maybe turn it this way and put it lengthwise like this. Let's see. So there's four. Yeah, there's four of these. They each have a lid. So you're able to cover. I mean, for the freezer, if I'm gonna use Ziploc bags, I might not use the lid. That might be pointless. But maybe I'll use a few in the refrigerator for my fruits, and then I can put the lid on it. I also have other containers that I usually use on a day-to-day basis, so I'm also going to use those. So yeah, so this week we're going to target the refrigerator, okay? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Madeline and this is Clean and Cozy Home. Welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. I have many projects coming ahead. I post every Sunday at 9 a.m. So turn on those notification bells, subscribe below, and I will be posting homemaking videos. So there's a lot of organizing, cleaning, cooking, a lot of home projects coming soon, decorating, okay? So just click your notification bell so you won't miss a video, okay? So guys, let's get started with today's video. Oh my god, guys, how nasty was that fridge? I couldn't believe it. So, I originally wanted to clean the fridge with just warm water and some white vinegar, but I didn't have white vinegar at the time that I started cleaning the fridge. My Aldi order had not arrived yet, so I figured I'll use Fantastic and a wet rag. Don't worry, because I left the doors open of the fridge and the freezer as I was cleaning it to air out all the smell from the Fantastic. I also cleaned with multiple times with just a wet rag, just wiping off all the Fantastic. And by the time all the food was restocked, the smell and everything from the fridge had disappeared. So it was okay. It was safe to put everything back in, and it was okay to use the Fantastic. Okay, so now that the fridge is clean, I've removed the drawers and now I'm going to clean the drawers, and I'm also going to wash all the plastic containers that were in the fridge because I'm going to reuse them when the Aldi order comes in. Okay, so here I'm putting everything back into the drawers, everything that I had in the fridge that I want to keep that is still good. So I'm just restocking my drawer back and putting it much neater than what it was before. now the freezer looks amazing. Everything is clean, everything is aired out, there's no fantastic scent. So now the freezer is ready to also be restocked. All right, so the Aldi order arrived. I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you the Aldi order that I just made. All right, so I got some bell peppers so I can, the mini ones to cook, spinach. Honestly, spinach and broccoli are like my favorite vegetables, so I always try to get. I ordered broccoli, but they were out of stock, so I just got spinach. Some breakfast sausages. I got 2 cheese. These are to snack on with my crackers or a slice or whatever. Some cream cheese, eggs, sweet potatoes, salmon. I got 2. Turkey bacon for breakfast, chicken tenders, pork chops, tortellinis, mac and cheese. I might have this for dinner tonight, I'm not sure yet, with some zucchini. I like zucchini too. More chicken breasts, but these are whole and these are tenders. Okay. Back here I got some olive oil. I was all out. Cheddar cheese, bread, bagels, orange juice, milk, white vinegar. I was all out of white vinegar. And not everything fit here, so I'm gonna take you to the counter. And I got also some beef. I might make a stew with this, I'm not sure yet. Some ground beef over there. Some veggie burgers. These are like my favorite veggie burgers. These I could eat forever. Oh my god. Strawberries. I like to only get 1 fruit a week because other than that they'll go bad. So for this week I just got strawberries, quinoa, I was out, peppers, and some cherry tomatoes, which I also love cherry tomatoes. Okay, so this was the big order. This is everything I got. Now that we're done with the fridge, we can actually restock the fridge and now put all of this into the fridge. All right. All right, so off camera, I just kept unloading everything into the freezer. So the pork chops, 1 pack of chicken breasts I'm not gonna use right now, so I just freezed it. The 2 salmon packs, I freeze them because they're for later. I had some ices left, so I just put them in this container, threw the box out. And I have a pie crust, which I want to make a quiche one of these days, so that needs to be used up soon. And then here I put every other miscellaneous. So I have some chicken tenders left over, a little bit of meatballs, curly fries, some juca for my breakfast. This is also juca frozen and peeled right here. Orange peel, I like to save them for my tea. So I wash every time I buy oranges, I wash them and then I keep the peels and I add them to my teas when I boil the water, and it is delicious, guys. The breakfast sausages, I'm not using them right now, so I'm gonna freeze them. And then this is for my fan that requires a frozen container in order to release the cold water. All right, so this is it. guys, so that's the end of this week's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. I hope this video motivated you to also clean your fridge. It may be a lot of work, but trust me, it is well worth it at the end.